Hi friends, in this video I will explain the concept of exponent or power. A power or exponent represent repeated multiplication of number or variable. For example, x times x times x times x etc x. Here x is repeated n time. According to the rules of exponent, the repeated number or variable is called the base. So x is base. The number of time the base is repeated is called the exponent or power. So x is repeated in time. N is the power or exponent. For example, a times a times a times a times a equal to. Here the letter A is repeated 5 times. So A is the base and the number 5 is the exponent or power. Another example, A over B times 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 A over B. Here A over B is repeated 6 times, so A over B is the base and 6 is the exponent or power. Next example, negative x over y times negative x over y times negative x over y equal to. Here negative x over y is repeated 3 times, so negative x over y is the base. Negative x over y is the base and 3 is the exponent because it is repeated 3 times. Example with numbers, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 equal to. The number that is repeated is 7, so 7 is the base and the number of repetition is 5, so 5 is the exponent or power. Next example, negative 9 times negative 9 times negative 9 times negative 9 equal to. The number that is repeated is negative 9. And so negative 9 is the base and it is repeated 4 times, so 4 is the exponent. Next example, 2 over 5 times 2 over 5 times 2 over 5. Oh, 2 over 5 is repeated 3 times, so 2 over 5 is the base and 3 is the exponent or power. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more video.